Here are the two schools for tonight's show: Jamaica College and Munro College. This is Schools Challenge Quiz. From Jamaica College, we have team captain Jumani Shakespeare, Nicholas Francis, Malik Dillsworth, and Fabian Morrison. While from Munro College, we have Delano Mullings, Renaldino Henry, Kirkland Webb, and team captain Brandon Larmond. Hello everyone, welcome to the fourth match in round 3 of TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm your host Marlene Stevenson Daly, and your judges are Ave McIntosh for the sciences and Theresa Easy for the arts. Now it all comes down to this: high schools across Jamaica have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, the temperament to move to the next round? This is the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. Munro won and decided to go first. Now this section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's get the time on the clock, please. We begin with Munro. Spanish. Give an English equivalent expression for "no puedo salir contigo."
I'm not able to leave again.
I'm not able.
No. Will the question pass, judges? The bell came first. Well, Jamaica College, you have a shot at it?
I cannot leave again.
No, I cannot go with you. And your Spanish question, Jamaica College, give an English equivalent expression for "el presidente y sus niños les gusta nadar."
The president likes to swim.
No, the president and his children like to swim. International affairs for Munro. Look at the monitor, identify this person. Incorrect. Felipe Couillard. International affairs for Jamaica College. Look at the monitor, identify this person.
Edward Philip.
Incorrect. Michael Dunkley. Information technology for Munro, which is the technical term for a compressed version of a video or image used for identification without displaying the full-size version.
Zip.
Incorrect. Thumbnail. Information technology for Jamaica College. A group of 4 contiguous bits constituting half of an 8-bit byte is given a special name. What is it?
Half beat.
Incorrect. Nibble. Music for Munro. Listen to the clip and give the title of the song.
I'll write a song, cause I didn't want anyone thinking I still care or don't, but
Sorry.
Incorrect. Love Yourself. Music for Jamaica College. Listen to this clip and give the name of the singer.
from my frame, someone to share my brain. Tell me what you wanna drink.
Justin Bieber.
Correct. Literature for Munro. Who wrote the novel Gone with the Wind?
Margaret Mitchell.
Correct. Literature, Jamaica College. Who wrote the novel The Girl with the Dragon Tattoo?
Steve Larson.
Correct. Theatre and cinema for Munro. Look at the monitor, identify this person.
Terrence Howard.
Correct. Theatre and cinema, Jamaica College. Look at the monitor, identify this person.
Don Cheadle.
Correct. Munro, Jamaican heritage. What does the Jamaican expression bafan refer to in standard English?
Awkward person. An awkward person.
An awkward person.
Correct. Jamaican heritage for Jamaica College. What does the Jamaican expression kunumuno refer to in standard English?
A close friend.
Incorrect. A foolish person. Sports for Munro. Look at the monitor, identify this person.
Good word. Ricardo Fuller.
Ricardo Fuller.
Correct.
Good work.
Sports, Jamaica College. Look at the monitor, identify this person.
Water boil.
Incorrect. Ricardo Gardner. French for Munro. What is the English translation for Le pont à Londres est très grand? Est très grand.
Something is big. Big Pontower Bridge.
The
The
bridge
bridge is big.
The bridge is big.
No, the bridge
large?
in London is very large.
Yes, sir.
And French for Jamaica College. What is the English translation for La Reine d'Angleterre est très intelligente?
The Englishmen are intelligent.
No, the Queen of England is very smart. And that's the bell. That's the end of the opening challenge. The scores are Munro College on 4, Jamaica College on 3. When we come back, it'll be time for the speed challenge. Schools Challenge Quiz 2018 returns right after these messages.